restoration. I'm with
Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to Bullish Bears. We are live this morning and want you to like, subscribe, hit that bell, tell everybody what's going on. My name's Stone. I'm with Jeremy and Devin and the gang. And we want you to come join us at Bullish Bears. What do we do? We serve the dish. We got the dish. Devin, help me out. Where's he at? Where's he at?
dish.
We got the dish. Listen, we got
Or
stuff.
we give you the dish.
We give you the dish. That's what it is. That's the one. Well, good morning. We're going to be looking at some stocks. Penny stocks are quiet, y'all. Penny stocks are real quiet.
Kind of quiet, except for MULN. Keep an eye on that.
I got MULN over here. Listen, this one's not a bad one to keep an eye on either. TSHH, TSHA. Let me have another sip of
Yeah.
coffee. Wake my mouth up here. Hello, mouth. Mm, there we go. Yeah. It's been a little bit of a challenge. We are nowhere near where we were last year at this time with penny stocks. It is I'm looking at my momentum scanner and it's quiet, and everything I see is pretty much ticky tack or something. But we're gonna find something to trade for sure. You'll know what I'm looking for now. We're descending channel. What's going to happen on a descending channel? Yogi?
Typically, they tend to snap bearish. Or descending?
And descending.
Descending bullish.
Yeah.
This had a five wave and then a measured move on the free market for yes. Now we're sitting at the triple.
Yeah. Oh, I do see that on the 10-second chart. We have some economic news coming out today. I think we've got a speaker from the Fed. Is that right? Let's see. We have consumer confidence at 10 a.m. So consumer confidence at 10 a.m. That could do some stuff. Two-year note auction at 1, possibly. Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index at 10 a.m. and the money supply is at 1 p.m. So it doesn't look much there. I have to go and check. I just don't. I love my TOS, but it doesn't give me all the market news that I want. So we have to go look at everybody else. So we had some prices come out there at 9. Got Consumer Confidence Index, Richmond Manufacturing. Who's going to give me some? We got Waller speaking at 155. We have the 2-year note auction at 1 o'clock, and that could give us some volatility there. Not terrible amount of volatility, but moderate volatility expected. It's investing.com, investing.com. They have a economic calendar, for free. You can just go get on it. It tells you everything. Gives you a little key. They put 1 star for low volatility, 2 for moderate, and 3 for high. So it's a great little thing to have. And we got about 5 minutes till the market starts. How is everybody, Jeremy?
Better by the minute. Literally.
Literally. Where's my phone? Gotta have my phone now.
Oh, yeah. Scalp happy on the ES for the phone. Knocked it off a couple minutes ago.
Oh, yeah. You knock it off, would you? I mean, come on. Knock it off.
I never want to hold anything right up to the
No, not at all. Hey, I'll be right back. Just take me a quick second. I'll leave my charts up. I gotta let the dog in.
unless you got a humdinger of a setup, always be flat before the bell. What would you consider to be a humdinger of a setup there?
He's a good boy. All right.
Free market double bottom, sure.
We just gapped up on Mullen.
Yeah, I see that.
See that?
Or if if you've got a situation where you've got a primo set up in the pre-market that like a wedge or something like that, you know it's going to break, then maybe, but even then it's a little risky.
Is that descending channel?
Go something like 64.
Whew.
Yeah, something a little better than that.
What's they gonna do here?
Probably revisit. Like there, I got a 2-pointer. Sold the 38.10, bought the 38.08.
That's good. 2-pointer's good.
Just chilling.
Like a villain. Descending channel right there. Look at that gap up. Oh, it's a wick, but that's a heavy duty gap. Some volatility coming in. We got some volume there. Yay. Marked out TSHA this morning. You see this colored line right there. That tells me I have a control bar back on the left somewhere on a 2-hour chart. And that's where it's come to now. Yeah. Look at that.
It's Jab was publicly traded, isn't it?
Who is this?
Jabra. They make like wireless headsets and stuff.
Oh, any good?
Let's see.
Right there. It's got to break that resistance. See? Angular resistance is right in that bar. So we have price targets for this guy. I was tracking him earlier, or her, it, earlier, back over here. And this was my last chance for romance zone right here. And I noticed that it bounced from where it was earlier. And said, this is kind of an ugly double bottom right here. Wouldn't you say that, Jeremy? It's a penny stock double bottom. Maybe a triple bottom. Penny stocks get some ugly looking double bottoms on penny stocks.
Bombarded by messages.
Oh, it's because you got all the answers. What do I do on this? What do I do on that? I'm asking the same things.
Everything I'm coming across free market, it's like 100, 200. If it looks good, I'm like, what is it?
Yep. It's been like that. It's crazy.
GPK?
What was it?
G is in George, P is in Paul, K is in Frank.
Where's your double bottom? What's the ticker?
Oh, that's ugly. GPK? It's ticky tack.
Is it really?
Yeah. Look, it's got no volume. That's 300.
The volume.
No volume at all.
Well,
I mean, it's got a little volume, but yeah, it's not.
it's crazy. I'm on a 2-minute. I'm like,
It's grindable. It's just not great.
Oh,
wow, yeah, I see what you're talking about. Free market.
yeah, no.
I see what you mean. There's not a lot of good
Keep eyes on it for sure, but don't like check until you see a good setup.
What do we got happening here?
Battle.
Hit a bell right now. Ding, 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 ding. Uh-huh. What is this? Right there. You see that? All right. Let's see what she does. I don't like to fool.
Channel break.
Yeah.
Double bottom.
Yeah, I don't like to fool with him right at the beginning though. Ooh, goodness gracious! What the heck? Somebody just took off.
Also,
Oh yeah, that's what you expect from Mullen. Big flush. Look at our SPY and our EMS. Wow. Flush in there. You see I have levels marked out on these. I mark these levels out in the pre-market the way I always do. If you see my red lines, you know what those are. This line here, this color, this manila beige color, is a control bar that I marked out because it looked like I needed to mark it out. You mark things out sometimes, and I don't know why I'm doing them. I do because it's, you condition yourself to do that. Mullen, nice little jaunt between pivots. Meanwhile, back at the SPY, ooh, ooh, ooh. Holy cow!
Rip off.
Jiminy crickets, man! Should have had one of them spreads.
About it. IWM's looking kind of interesting too.
Oh, IWM always looks interesting. It's just a matter of what's going on. Market watch news. We don't have anything for an hour or for a half hour. So you could maybe see bullishness for a half hour on these charts. We got to get past 380.06 on SPY.
We got a second flag on the plate for SPY here.
And this is what happens. You see, it looks so good. I want to show everybody. This is why I don't fool around with these guys in the morning. Why I take my time. Because, there was a clear signal here, when it gave us that ugly morning star, that if it were on a large cap, it'd still be going up. But on the penny stocks, you got to be careful about those fellers. They don't always do that.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning, bud.
Just think probably. I mean, I know that I don't know a lot, but housing prices are continuing to fall, so it might be a sign that what they're doing is working.
Well, that's a good thing to know.
Ripping inflation.
Sheesh.
Or attempting to.
Okay. So we've got some movement happening. And I am low on targets on IWM.
Credit spread on MUL.
Oh, yeah? Are you thinking about it?
Thinking about it, actually.
Because it's got funny options.
It does.
Funny options.
Funny,
That's
credit
what's...
spreads look good.
Oh, credit spreads. Oh, that's a whole different world there. Well, SPY is continuing to kick up. 38.25's in play. So that's a good thing. Looking bullish right there, right now, for the time being. For the time being.
That was a bid ask spread thing. That was not a value put credit spread.
Alrighty then.
You hit that sell button, all the prices change.
I'm going to tell you, I have nothing in my penny stock scanner at all right now at the open. That's my mouth. Sound of my mouth being on the floor.
What?
I got nothing in my penny stock scanner right now. Nothing at all.
Just that MULN for me. I'm looking to wheel trade that eventually here.
I was thinking about that
Just put some 50% puts on it.
because eventually that thing's going to move.
Yeah.
Well, logic says it will, because of it's an EV company that has a vehicle, and I don't see them staying, at penny stock status like that.
And why there's no volume on the $1 puts.
Man, Jeremy, I want it to be a bear.
I was looking to sell $1 puts and buy 50-cent puts with a 5-cent risk on a 50-cent spread. That's not gonna work. Might be a better idea to sell the 50-cent put if you want to acquire a position in the company. If there's a chance it will expire the worth is.
Holy, look at that. Holy cow, Batman. Holy cow, Batman. What the heck? All right, Mullen looks like a big bear flag right now. Now, this fella down here, he's may have found Moving average cross. I talked about that yesterday. Yeah, they could be diluting. I didn't see why they would dilute at this point, though. But they're screwy company, so you just never know. All right, everything moving a little herky-jerky on my screen. Not too bad. Well, Gemini
Up there though.
crickets.
Well,
Right now it looks like it's bear flagging.
And
Yeah,
it's hammering the 200 period right now on 5-inch.
yeah. Yikes is right.
2 days, 50% move down to cents exactly.
No, we're not touching that right there. Shoot. I missed my entries. Yeah, I already missed my entries where I was looking. Okay, no big deal. We'll get some more. There will be more entries. Mm-hmm. Let's see. You got a 10-second on SPY.
Well,
I know. Yes, I see it. I'm just picking. Look at those
actually,
big green bars, man, on the 5. You want to see a 5 minute? I like this.
update your Weeble.
Bam.
Yeah. 1, 5 to 15 second, 30 second.
30 second. Yeah, I get those. I get those from them. Okay, now we're back to the control bar. Over here we got a bar spinner bar. TSHA is looking bullish at the moment. And I have levels up to 302 right now. So doesn't mean it's going to go there. Don't go jumping in saying the guy said it's going to 302. Pop, get in. And it flushes on you and you get mad at me because I said that. Seen that happen too many times in the chat room. Too many times somebody follows something somebody else said, or somebody's thinking out loud. Looks like it could do this. Man, you said it was going to do this. No, I said it looked like it was going to do this.
Message saying Microsoft vertical, they're holding out for 100% profit. I would probably just take profit. Because it's earnings side or through. Either way, the tendency for rushing after earnings announcement really destroy that position. So if you got really good profit in, same person asked about a tiny SPY spread is max profit to stick on until food.
Wait.
Pay the money.
Yeah. I think you need to do a webinar on this.
You got nearly max profit on SPY spread.
I'm not laughing at anybody.
You know, if it happens sometimes. Like you'll go and buy one of these dollar lights, and the price will just blow through it and it'll be a max profit. You won't be able to sell it to close it for max profit.
Time out.
There for you can't run into a situation where you get early assignment and then suddenly the price flips back out on them. Then you're screwed. So the idea is if you get into a situation where you're in the money on the spread the spot, don't care if it's got a weak expiration, do it.
Well, we are looking interesting here for sure. We are at 9:40, so we're 10 minutes in. There it goes. Let's see. I don't, I see bullishness a lot in the morning like that, but we're kind of curling over, so I'm curious to see what happens. Could curl over and come back up. But we've got this meeting at 10 o'clock, and that meeting has, does it have volatility? Let's see.
10-second control bar.
Oh, yeah. CB consumer confidence is carrying a high volatility expected on the there, so could be a good time to just wait a little bit, see what happens.
Definitely had run climb out. Though. It's set to go.
Yeah, dang it.
I did grab a dollar white on that.
You son of a gun. I, I was looking at too many things and I went to go grab an order on it and it wouldn't fill my order because it happened.
I told yesterday it was a yellow.
All right, we got over here, kind of just hanging out there. Looks like we're going down. Looks like we're going back up here on SPY. Let me get my chart nasty on there for those who like to see chart nasty. Bam! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Beautiful.
It's a beautiful thing.
Spreads go. I haven't been trading much in this market, but this week I'm gonna start looking for some better swing trade setups.
Oh yeah!
I came across the Spotify was bullish there. And then the other one, TECK,
Let's see if we get a
all
one. Oh yeah. Okay, we're building on the 55.68 right here. Let's see if it falls below that. Meanwhile, back over here at the TSHA, we got a little momentum thing happening there. A little build. And hang on one second. What are y'all doing? 9:42.
This little 5-second chart on SPY.
Yeah, they're cool, aren't they?
Man,
What time is that? What time is that? What are you doing here? Was that an end pattern on SPY? I don't know. Or is that a diamond top forming? I'm looking at the 1 minute.
let's see, shall we?
We shall have a look-see.
That's ugly.
That's ugly, isn't it? We don't know. That's a big, 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 big bar on that. Oh, that's a 15 minute. That's not a 5 minute. No wonder. Got to get your time frames right when you're looking at your charts. It's like, what the heck is that? That thing's huge.
Sure, you're in.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, there we go. Gonna build here a little bit. It's trying to get past that 226. Get past that 226, and it's got some room. It's think they're buying some, or somebody's buying a whole bunch of shares. Yeah. Astellas Pharma is investing $50 million to support their gene therapy program. So they got some pretty big news. They got some $50 million news. There we go. We're building. Bada bang, bada boom, bada bang. And we'll see how that goes. 176.03 for your IWM. If it gets past this 174.75.44, which is a control bar from previous days, this guy is just, they're pumping, dumping, y'all. Get some money! Yay! Let's steal their money! The lemmings, come, come! This is, look. Oh, I got stuff in my scanners now. Holy moly! Where has it been? Let's see what we get here.
It was a 15-minute end pattern on SPY.
Okay, watch this. I'm gonna see what Mullen does, because it's popping across its thing. Ooh, look at them highs go. Holy canali. I don't know what a canali is, and I don't know why I said that. I don't know. I'm making all kind of words up. 176.03 on IWM. Me like IWM a lot. However, that is a big bar on the 1 minute. So watch out. Uh, 38.30 on the MES. I do I do. I do like watching the indexes, Jeremy, and everybody listen. I think that is just
Does so much.
that's a great strategy
Yeah.
to have. Once you can do options and you can trade, futures. You can check out the MES, for mini futures if that's in your bag, and then you can check out QQQ and SPY, and you can trade all three directionally in this at the same time. You're going up, you trade them all going up, going down, trade them all going down, and that is
That was really cool. You talked about that. It's like, wow, that's amazing.
that is amazing.
It makes it so much easier to trade. Because basically, it's all same index and different ETFs.
Yep, dude.
Good morning, fellas.
382. Oh, 382. Good morning, Ricardo. Oh, Canada. Yes, it is. Okay. Folks are nice in Canada. Wow. All right, you remember me giving out that 176.03? We crossed already. 176.43 on IWM. Pennies are just kind of going sideways. 381.25 is the high.
Just closed it.
I really like this.
Bought it for 5 cents. Sold it for 8 cents.
Keep going, little buddy. You got 10 more cents to go, 9 more cents to go to get that 176.43. And SPY, you're going, like he says, you're going to 382. Where's the red candles? What? I'm looking for them. 38.40 on your top guy there. There's the 176.40. If you're paying attention to IWM, Mullen's going down
Everything blasted off.
because they're getting ready to probably pull it down in a minute.
Yeah. I've been going long on this trend a little bit. Last position, we're still open at 38.29.
There you go. See all the targets it hit. What was that? What was that target I said?
It's hitting the 8 period.
Hang on a second. Let's see. It's hitting that on the 10 second.
And that's it.
I'm out. Hey, come on. I did it. Y'all know moderating's hard. I actually just did a trade while I moderated. I got out here. What did it hit? Well, look.
I know it's going higher.
Did you see it?
38.29 sold at 38.56.
I have to go find levels for this. Y'all know what my red lines are, right? I told you. I see that. Oh, thank you, sir. Those red lines are blood life. Life. Okay. IWM is so far right now, that's my jam. They're more affordable for me right now as I rebuild my account, and I'm loving it. I'm living large. So what did I make on that? Jeez, the percentages. Jeremy, do you know how to find your percentages on a trade in Webull? Is there a way to do that?
When you go look at your balances
Uh-huh.
on your position sheet, it'll show you.
For each trade?
Yeah, for each position. Right.
When you exit it, though.
No, it'll show it on the screen. While it's open.
Yeah, but when you exit it and you want to go back and look at the percentage.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
You go to past orders, it should display it as well.
Why you give me? Why you giving me old stuff? Huh. It's not. Something must not be right with my Weeble. It's all good. It's just not telling me. It's not showing my orders. No, something's wrong. What?
What the deuce?
Yeah. Are you in Weeble?
Yeah.
I.
I'm trouble finding
I.
percentages.
Well, I'm having trouble finding the order in the position I just had. And it's not showing it up. Oh, there it is, finally. Okay, so it wasn't that much. It's still all right. It was a gain. Here we go again.
Yeah. Ripping higher.
Mm-hmm. I don't have levels marked out yet. 952.
Finish that trip to 3-2.
And if you heard me yesterday, since we're looking a little, yeah, and I need to find more levels here. I haven't been trading this one
Yeah.
that long.
82 nailed.
There it is, 382.
Wham! Look at the sell orders. Holy smokes.
Wow. Yeah, let's see what happens.
Nuttier than Squirrel Dookie.
Nuttier than Squirrel Dookie, son. Well, that's the first red bar on a 5-minute candle on IWM. All right. This guy is just kind of looking like crap right now. I have a squirrel. I have a squirrel in the yard. You must have heard you talk. So while that's happening, I'm going to go grab some more levels here. Because I don't have enough levels.
Outright mess of a chart here, but we have extensions up to 386, but I'm not too confident in that. I think 382 is about where we stop and pull back. There is a diamond on the very far left of the 2-hour chart. Let's see here. What date is that? That's weird. I update Weeble and didn't show me dates on it. Around the 16th to the 21st is a diamond pattern. It's straight out to the left from our levels.
Oh, it's crossing it.
And 382 gets across here. We got the extension of 386 possible. I mean, we're looking like artificially pumped at this point. That's nuts.
Holy Toledo.
Right?
Batman. This is crazy. 38.50. Hang on a second. Timeout.
This is
What was what was the level I called out yesterday on the MES? You remember? It's 38.45.
yeah.
Look right here.
How about that?
I'll give that secret away in Discord in a little while. Well, I like I like giving stuff away on YouTube and everything, but our members, we don't pay an enormous fee to be a member. We don't pay. It's the best bargain you're ever going to get learning how to trade. But I want to make sure that also I honor our members by keeping some things a little bit close to the vest. Although, once they start getting out, it starts getting out. And everybody will know what these red lines are. Oh, look at that, baby! Nice! I love it! Thank you. Thank you, Bullish Bears, for teaching me price action. Yeah, huge.
This is a community effort.
Oh, it is a community effort.
Price action.
Well, I love it, and I've had a little boost this last week in my confidence. If some of you guys don't know, I know some of you know, but I learned my price action in penny stocks, and penny stocks is one of my favorite things to trade, but it's been crazy. So I had a nice account, and hurricane came, and being a professional musician in New Orleans, and all the work was drying up, and everything was changing. The place I played at for years uh, closed up after the pandemic, so it made it a little bit challenging for me. I had to drain my account. So I went to options, and options has kicked my butt for a little while, but we have righted the ship. And that's because I learned everything about price action here at Bullish Bears. And, Jeremy's, it's just in praise for you. He's just been a good friend in Bullish Bear community, and he teaches everybody everything. And, it's brought us a long way. So now I'm able to chart out things, and I got my own little edge now. I'm very, very happy about that. And I am going to show it to the members. And you guys are going to learn that stuff. So come join Bullish Bears. We got a few minutes before this big econ event. TSHA is getting some volume in again. We just popped up. Need to break this 226 and hold it, and then make a run at that pre-market high that we had at that 239. I think that's the high. No, it's not. Sorry, the high was 259. So we need to break that. Really, that's what you want to break. But now, if you're trading this thing and you were going to get in it, see everything's kind of quiet and down over here right now. They're waiting for that 10 o'clock in 1 minute, the consumer confidence. So look out. You're either going to, what you'll see is some crazy wicks and stuff taking place on SPY and the MES and the ES and the indexes. And it might be a good time just to wait. If you're in a trade, you might, be careful. I'm not going to tell you what to do. And breathe. Look, we got a bar spinner, so this should be a bar. 226. It should break that and get up to that 231, 232 area. If it does that strongly, and what I mean by that is we get a strong bar like this one up to that level or through this level, then that's a good sign. But right now it's got 30 seconds on that candle, and it's going to take us right to 10 o'clock. And these guys are kind of just going sideways. Big pop this morning. Got a nice little scalp on that. Thank you very much, Jeremy. Yeah. Absolutely.
For fun, I got another YOLO spread. Expires Friday. Bought 362, sold 361. 4 cents.
Awesome. There's this, what I was looking about and what I was talking about. So we got a nice big strong bar into that area. So we could see, look at that. It's 10 o'clock. Watch what happens.
Dippy dippy. Squeezer, please. I'll take a squeezer right now. Oh, yeah. Said you wanted to be a bear.
Oh, yeah, I do. But I'm going to hang off a minute. I'm gonna play it safe. I'm not in a hurry. All right, so we're building here.
Maybe hovering.
This was this guy right here.
I sold the 38.46.
Oh, Good for you.
Right in that tweezer, I'm out. Right off that hammer, I'm out.
Oh yeah, that is a serious hammer on that 10-second. Looking here at TSHA, they popped yesterday, and that was the after hours high.
A whole bunch of messages I gotta respond to, but I'm in a trade right
Yeah, do your thing. Here's another pivot. See, if I was telling everybody about the zigzag indicators, this is not a zigzag indicator pivot, okay? This is the support and resistance pivot. You see my dotted lines here? That's auto support and resistance. I like that thing a lot. But this is not, again, this is the zigzag indicator, the magenta and the teal. But this dotted pivot is actually from a different indicator. And you see how right here it's landing on the same that the zigzag has as a pivot. So those are good pivots to me when you have a couple of indicators pointing the same place. And when we get the pivots, we have to, like this, we need to break through them or we're going to pull back. And right now we got a little pullback right going on there. But we've got some colors down here. We do everything with shapes and colors, just like we were in elementary school. And my mama said, anyway, so we got my mama said fundamentals are from the devil. Anyway, so we want to just get sorry. This Woody's indicator has these pretty colors on it. These gray bars are indicate that this is trying to trend. Change the trend from a kind of a bearish trend or no trend to a trend. This yellow signal is typically a confirmation on the Woodies that the trend has changed. It's telling us we're trending right now. So this is a nice indicator. I like to see it stay green on the outside. Somebody just entered in. I'd like to see it stay green on the outside and blue on the inside with nice big green bars. That's a great indicator that we're staying bullish. Right now, it looks like we have a pullback, but these twitching candles, we just have to keep watching. Again, we want to see price break through this level right there, this 231 level, as strongly as it broke through this 226 level. Boom. And then if it can do that, then we'll head back towards this level at 239. So you can watch it.
Guys,
Yo.
Guys, it's time we turn to American Airlines. There's a bull pennant with an ascending triangle / little bird beak that's about to pop.
Hey, let's go watch it. I don't have any levels on it. Was that Bud Fox? Was that Bud Fox?
Yeah, that was
Oh.
that thing's about to take off. It looks like it's got like 3 bullish.
Look at that. Oh, yeah. High. Oh, Bud. Good job. We are just smacking that level right there. Smack. Go look at a half-hour chart.
massive range. Sorry, closed at $20. Right back up at $35 this morning.
Who is this?
PCBX. Dead, no volume stop really. It's right today.
Look at that right there at that 1407. Right there at that 1407. Look left. Find the pivots. Where's Gandalf anyway? I don't know where he is right now. There he is. Thank you. I will get this high right here. I'll mark that out like that. Dot. And I'll take control bars too. I'll mix my price action up a little bit. I don't need that one. It's too close to the other guy. All right. You got a couple of them. How does this guy move generally? Does he move in dollars? Let's see, range. On TOS, if you haven't learned this yet, you can take your cursor and your horizontal line, you click on this candle right here, and then you go up to the top, this area here, open, high, low, close, and it'll give you the open, high, low, close of that candle. It'll also give you the range, which is great because I can see that the range is 40 cents on that one candle. So not being completely familiar with AAL, I can now say, okay, I see that this guy can move a little bit, right? Oh, bear. Here comes the bears. Look at that range, $1.26.
I found a gift to put in.
Oh, looking left. Oh, you found you. Oh, I have to go find my Discord. Sorry about that. That's one of the dwarfs. That's the dwarf from the prequels. Isn't that the Dwarf King or something?
Something like that. All right, I'm out covered at 38.37.
That dude was short. Descending channel.
Oh, Devin's found. He's typing.
Oh, no, it's pressing space bar.
Oh, gotcha. All right, PCBX.
Are you push to
I don't have
talk?
levels on it 'cause there's nothing to see other than when it IPO. Next level's like 38.70.
Ooh.
Breaks out. Could see as high as like $45. I don't really have any levels after that. I'm looking to short this thing back down. It's the wall. It does have some options liquidity. And I think that can probably take advantage of
This is the level this guy needs to hold.
PCB active.
Watch this.
I re-entered AAL. The cent spread. I paid 120 something. 123 total. For the strangle. It's not too far apart. I just wanted a little confirmation on the put, but
Slaps profit between two.
but it looks like it's a small channel. It's only bouncing from 1402 to 1411. So hopefully by the end of the week, one of them is tremendously in profit.
I like tremendously in profit. I like that. That's my bag, baby.
5 second double bond.
That's a pivot right there. That's from a pivot indicator from the zigzag. And it's on that pivot, which is also VWAP. So keep TSHA a little bit on an eye. Keep an eye on it. These are hard to. I say they're hard to trade. These are tricky to trade. These type of penny stocks, you know. So like, you know, if you see it hit a level and you know, and you've got some indication, a little bit more knowledge on how they move, which is crazy, you could take a position. But this is the kind of thing I put a stop loss in and I put my limit sell order in already. I want my profit target, which I like. Also, you can do that in the MES on Tradeovate.
Yeah, you were talking about doing that yesterday.
Yeah, I did it on Tradeovate yesterday. I did you know, it's tricky.
Two block of rhyme, it's tricky. 2 block of rhyme, that's right on time, it's tricky.
Okay, awesome. Tell who's younger than me in here. Well, you young timer. Wait a minute. What's going on here? What the heck? I see something happening.
Out of a little, it failed resistance, it pulled back, and it found support. Blam.
177.31.
1, 2, and 3 on the 10.
That is a wild ride we're getting ready to have there. What do we got up top? 38.45.
Yep, 38.42 first, then 38.45 second extension.
Oh, no. I see. That was not, it faked me out. That's not what I thought it was. That's a frickin' end pattern on the 1 minute. If you scrunch it up, sometimes you got to scrunch your charts up.
Just closed that at
Hey,
42.
hey, bud. How you doing over there? Look at that.
Yeah, American Airlines. Well, bam.
Look at that. Bing.
Mm,
Were you wanting it to go up or down?
I'm in a strangle.
Okay.
Right now, it's pretty much
Both.
within the channel. I'm down $6.
Okay. See if you can
Right.
break that range.
I'm not great yet at riding them because I can't ride them because I don't have a big account.
Right.
And it's tricky with the
Tricky, tricky, tricky.
It's
Well, you're learning.
that's the
Yeah.
hard part of trading is, but you get price action
Ooh.
down. That is the most important part of this. Once
Ooh.
you
Well,
start recognizing what you're
I
seeing on
thought-
the chart.
I thought AAL was going to take off, so I put the call in first, and it didn't. It fell. So that's where I messed up. I guess I should have waited till when it decided to do what it was going to do, and then put either a call or a put.
Right. It's tricky because when the opening hour is on too, the implied volatility is raised a little bit, options are a little more expensive, and they'll run away from you real quick. The objective is certainly not to chase it into a trend, but I'm going to assume you can probably put it on and start to hit like 1408 on the upswing right out of the gate.
At the beginning of the morning, no, I actually had 3 calls open that I progressively got over the week as like I had a little bit of capital left from the snap. Like luckily I took the snap out and then I had a little profit from another one a couple other days, so I doubled down when it was low, like it was at the bottom of the channel, like 1360.
Right.
And that ended up basically like my account was down to almost like $80, and then this morning I got it back up to 140. So I
Ooh.
was able to get out everything and then start a new one. But I think I could have done a better job with the spread. I thought I was trying to get it in time to the reversal pattern so they were even. But it's not exactly quick.
Sure.
Because I'm also doing limit orders and then taking it, I gotta cancel and then I gotta redo it.
Right.
When you go to set the order up,
Right.
you gotta know 2 things for sure when you set the order up. You know the high low, and you gotta know what the bid ask is at the current time.
It's a high low.
So the high and low is the highest that option is sold for so far, and the lowest that option is sold for so far in the day. So if you find yourself seeing a high low and you see the price action to match on the chart, you're looking for getting in as cheap as you can. So you set your limit order closer to the low to buy, and then closer to the high to sell if you're selling out of it.
Where do I find the high low?
Google shows that to you.
We will show it on the no, it won't show it the highest it's sold for, but it will show you that that little
Click on the
chart.
Click on the option where it pulls up in a chart for the option, then you can see it there.
I see what you're saying.
Yeah, on the desktop. Yeah, it'll do it on the desktop for you. Okay, this guy, interesting. Looking for him to try to push again.
Extension of 3842 again.
Look at that right there.
But the good news is that the strangle's till November 11th, so I rolled it out.
Getting a call from a 1-800 number.
Okay, so looking for this guy to push up to 232 if he can break this right here. Break 226. AAL curling up over here. Very interesting.
Almost $37. Whoa. It's not an RSI.
Mm-hmm.
That's That's a 1 minute. That's very short lived, but a 1 minute cup and handle.
Wow. Haven't seen one of those in a minute.
Kid, not like that.
38.50 back on the board. Let's see though. That is a bullish. Well, we're trending.
Yeah, cup and handle. Correct.
Uh,
Yeah. it's a
typically.
continuation.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, the continuation. Is that a 5 minute? Mm-hmm. That's a 5 minute. Pop, pop, pop. Wow. That's really interesting.
It's starting to. And there it goes. Push. I'm waiting to go short on this little leg. It's not showing the sign to go short.
Mm-mm.
There it is. I'm scalping this like 1 10-second chart at a time. Candle at a time.
You're crazy. Don't follow him. He's nuts. No, that's just his. He's not typical, but he's great to follow. Because if you're slow, you'll want to get faster hanging out with Jeremy. Man, that's the high, huh? I don't know. That's too high right now.
Hovering off the 20 period. This is a penny.
I wish I had a 10-second chart.
You can get the 15 in Weeble.
Actually, you can get a 5-second chart now.
Yeah. I don't like the 5 second. They give everything but the 10 second because they know the 10 second's the best.
Weeble is not in Canada.
Oh, sorry. Ricardo, my bad.
Trade Vape's not in Canada, is it? It's be Trade Station.
Man, that is really high and tight, isn't it?
I'm waiting for Bitcoin to give us a reversal so I can go short on the futures contract there. Get some price action trading on that. But gosh, it's so slow.
This guy he finally broke that 226 there. Let's see if he can break that 231 and 232.
It's underneath the 20 right there. So
Yes, it is.
Why did TSAJ and American Airlines? It's so
You know what they do? Thank you for pointing that out. Maybe they have the same market maker.
That's not a joke.
That's not a joke. Not a joke. You'll find out. You gotta find out. Sometimes I used to research market makers, and then I realized it was not a very good thing to do. It took time away from studying the chart, so it's like I ain't gonna do that. But when I would research them, go ahead.
It's good to know how they operate.
Yes, it is.
Good idea of what's driving the price action.
Well, it helped. I learned from it, and I learned about different market makers, and H.C. Wainwright was one. You eat a lot of penny stocks with him, with that company, and that's one that you'll get the pump, and then within a few hours of the pump to 3 days, you'll get a dump, big one. So that's why I say never hold a penny stock overnight. Unless you got some, long-term analysis on it, and you're holding it because it's going to go back up. This is interesting here. What are you going to do? This is a crucial spot. I think it's teasing. Although that's a full bar right there. Dang it. I need levels on some things. I don't have levels on. Okay, we're going sideways. Both these guys are going sideways. Watch your AAL. Let's see what it does.
Break right there.
Where are we? We are at 10:20 a.m. SPY is up $3.40. IWM's up $4. That's pretty big for IWM actually. And it just broke its the last high of day. IWM is at the 177.31 was the last high of day on the excuse me. It's the high of day from the 18th of October, 177.31 for IWM. It just broke that level. It's kind of hit that $half mark. So we're going to see here if it's going to continue, if it's going to pull back. I still have to get more levels on it. I'm a little low on my levels there. I'm low on my levels. I am low on my levels. And we got a push here.
Sorry, I should have waited for AAL because it's in the channel now. I'm just too antsy. I'm still FOMOing.
Oh, you're going to get past all that eventually.
There's also a bull pennant on the 5 for the SPY, and it would behoove everyone to know that there is a 54% chance that we'll end up bull.
I like that.
The highest probability are, I believe, ascending triangles at 83%, or no, I forget what it was. Well, I gotta figure out which one was high, but bull pennants are 54%.
Yeah, BBIG's moving out double down.
What's this here? Either going to slam.
Extending diamond to boot, so be careful. If it can't breach 97 cents, it'll drop back down. What I'm looking at for possible short squeeze is SPPI. I'll double check the short interest on that.
We are still moving sideways over there.
Do you guys have a video yet on like morning scanners for option? I mean, I'm looking for options, but I'm assuming other people are looking for other things. Just so I can start to build my morning routine and have like a good scanner on Webull.
I don't have one for options. Jeremy, do you?
No, I've been just using like if I'm looking for options liquidity or something that has lots of options activity on it, that's down in the penny stock level, I'll look at like barchart.com and then just flip the column that says price and start at the bottom.
Okay. Yeah, I was just because on all the videos I see the watch lists on the left for TOS, and Webull has one too. And I'm just trying to build it because like when I had Fresh Capital today, even though I've been doing with AAL a lot, it's been going crazy. Like I kind of want to try and venture into other stuff, and then obviously when my account gets bigger, I want to. So I was just trying to figure out how to find them in the morning because you guys are hopping all over the place.
Yeah, I'm not using scanners for options. I'm not using any scanners for options. I just look at certain. I just like Sig teaches in his options video, day trading strategies. I have like 4 or 5 that I just look at that are liquid that I know are going to move, and I don't look for any oddball options that are out there that I don't know because I want to with options I want to trade something that I can follow and something that's got a little bit consistency to their chart.
So like the night before, I should probably look for open interest in that day, and then build a watch list from that for the big companies, like who's popping, who's got news. And it'll probably usually always be the same thing, like AMD, Microsoft, like all the
yeah, monsters of tech. Yeah, oh, you've been listening to Sig. That's great.
Open that list on Webull. It'll show you the most active options.
Yep.
Yeah, I have it on the phone. I just can't figure out how to make it on the watch list on the actual desktop. It's kind of challenging. I've tried before and it turned out to be a mess.
Wow, we just broke another high.
Pardon me.
But for now, with the money I have, and I mean, having $100 account, basically the only ones you can do options are like AAL and Ford.
Yeah, for the most part. There's others that'll pop up though. Like every once in a while, I'll find BTU is a good one. So here, a couple of the gold miner stocks can be good.
All right, I need to chill for a minute.
Depends on what's set. Speaking of BTU, I'm holding
Also,
breath because that
Neo.
resistance. And Neo's
Yeah.
good too.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm sorry.
No, go ahead. I'm pausing for a second.
Can you in your TOS you can open up your options ladder still, even if it's paper trade, then it still gives you the right information, right?
I can't because I don't have money in there, so it's all delayed.
It doesn't give you, but it gives you some information.
As far as price and charting and all that stuff, I mean, maybe pre-market it does from the day before, but that would probably be it.
All right, I'm gonna put something up in chat. I learned this from Sig. Watching Sig here in TOS, I'm just gonna put up a quick options ladder and show you something. If man, why does that always do that? Hang on, I'm having problems with my cursor. Because
Jeremy, for that
there we go.
Jeremy, for that AAL strangle, I would have wanted to put the put at one end of the channel and the call at one end, not necessarily close together.
Right. I mean, you can go with the 50-cent wide spread. It's ideal because if it breaks one way or another, like if it runs $1 one way or the other on your 50-cent wide, the other option will be in the money. So once that's in the money, it has time value on it as well as intrinsic value. More often than not, it'll overwhelm any loss you took on the losing side at that point. It's got to move $1. In the meantime, if you're legging in and out of it day to day, you'll want to take profit on it day to day. So you want to roll in and out of the strikes. And once you've developed that idea to trade that strategy very smoothly on strangles, you can adapt that strategy later on in one of two ways or even both ways. Eventually use this to build your ability to trade a real trade position where you're long 100 shares and you're short a call, but rolling in and out of those calls and puts, buying them back to close them and then selling them again reopening, capturing profit day to day on those. That's the training for one side of learning how to trade strangles. The other side of learning how to trade strangles is you can also do this as a semi-synthetic position. Long a strangle close to the money and short a strangle out of the money further. And there is similar to the trade strategy. You just swing trade short legs in and out, maintaining a long position. Your idea is to generate income from your long position. And eventually, if it does break out, as long as you're really careful on closing the short legs, you can make a tremendous profit on that.
Yeah, starting to make sense.
It takes time.
It's building from one strategy to the next until you get one strategy down. It's going to take a little time to build into the next. But when you get to that next level stuff, that's when things really start to get applied.
Yeah, I think I'm almost there with the strangles. It's just the main thing is exactly where I want my strikes. So, and like I just said, I'm trying to figure out, do I want them both so close when it's in a channel?
It's gonna
Do I want
HAAL.
one at the bottom of the channel? If it's like a wide chain. So it's like today it's been going from 14.15 to 13.90 something. So do I want my call at 13.90 and my put at 14.15?
The first thing you say there is when you see the size of the channel. That's the first thing to notice. That's the most important part of this whole sentence that you just said. Is when you notice the channel, if the channel is less than 50 cents wide, it's a great idea to be on either end of that channel because what does the channel tell us in price action? It tells us it's accumulation. It's getting ready to break out one way or another. So when it does break out, if you're as close as you can get in that channel to strangle, it does break out. All of a sudden, you're going to have a very largely profitable position.
178.08.
And sell on the wrong position or the losing position really quickly on momentum, right? The momentum for the breakout in the direction the trade ends up taking it.
So this one's not that bad. It's only like, so my $14 put's down $6, and my 14.50 call's down 50 cents. So it's not that far apart. I mean, it's been in this channel. I think my channel's probably like $14 to $14.12. So it's only like 12 cents apart. I think my strikes, as far as where the price was when I made the call on the put.
That's it.
Hey guys, I'm turning into a pumpkin here.
Hey, appreciate you.
Appreciate you too.
Great to have you, man. Have a good day.
I gotta get to it.
last slipper on the stairs.
Yeah, I'll get that glad.
Hey, bud. It's good to have you with us. It's going to work out. It just takes a little time.
Yeah.
It's
Something I have.
yeah,
It's going to take patience to get this down. Once you do that, it's like it takes a minute. It'll be frustrating at times too. Once you get it down, it's like, oh, wow, lights come on. Just so you realize how to do it. So it can turn into an autopilot situation.
I'm 20 years older than you, bud, and I am a slow learner, and I know you're going to get this.
Yeah, I just gotta realize with my time constraints, it'll probably take me about a year before I'm relatively.
Probably. You're right. But keep that vision in front of you, keep that goal in front of you, and that's what keeps your drive going. That you know that eventually you're going to get this and you're going to have a nice retirement. That's the goal. That's right. That's the goal. All righty then.
Thanks.
Have a great day. Okay, well, we've gone off a little bit here, but we haven't had a whole lot over here happening. UVXY is sinking down again, so that's a good sign. I did get some more price levels for my IWM, so I'm happy about that. We're building off that high day. I've got 178.08, 178.81, 179. I've got price levels now up a good little ways for IWM. So that's good. We look like we're going sideways for a little bit, and we could be going sideways for a while. Bud, you've probably already left, and I put that TOS up there for you to be able to see that fast beta in the right-hand side of that picture. Alrighty then. Are we going to trend today? It's highly possible.
Hi guys.
Hello.
I'm paper trading, no drama if someone wants to buy. But yeah, so I'm trending in a downwards channel, but I'm just doing the upwards. Oh, there we are. It's just sold. But but you can still make a profit even if it is trending downwards. You just have to put the stop loss. Sorry, you just have to put the trade on at the bottom of the channel and ride it up, and then sell it at the top.
Sounds about right. I think when something's trending down and you can get in on it. Is that what you mean?
Yes, it's in a downward channel. I'm looking at Moulin, and all right, it's so when it hits the bottom of the channel, you buy in, and then you just follow the trade up with the stop loss until it hits the top, and then you sell it, and you can still make like 2 cents profit or even 18 cents profit.
Yeah. Yes.
I mean, it's not ideal, but it's
It's doable. Yes.
What now, Moulin?
Eventually, I want to be able to have a long position and sell a bunch of options on it. I've already got most of my long position together between 25 and 32 cents.
Okay.
for the right moment here.
But I'm trending two stocks. I'm trading two stocks today, so I'm trying to like follow more than one because it's a bit boring just doing one.
Yes, it is. It can be.
And ideally, you want to make sure you have another stock to trade. It's diversity of the portfolio.
We talk about diversity once I've got my trend, my price action sorted. But yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah, and my diversity's in my long-term investment portfolio. That's nothing to do with this.
Let's
Learning how to trade so you can maximize
right.
the returns on the long term.
Let me cycle here. Let me cycle here. AMPX got little volume. It's grinding. Looks like it could push.
ADIG is right at critical resistance.
What time is that? 37:01. 37:01 when I say what time is that, that's the minute and the seconds. Clock is another indicator for me. Wow, BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond. Well, yeah, I mean, what are they doing? I just was like frustrated with some of their products this morning. My coffee maker, for one.
Well, I bought some name brand stuff from them before. I bought some trucks. I still
I have the CRUX, the Crooks, or the whatever it is, CRUX. Is that the one you're talking about?
corrupt CRE or KRE.
Oh yeah, we have this CRUX, and it's SUX. it's like it's a 14 cup maker. Now, if you break the carafe, guess what? They don't sell parts. And the lid always falls down on me. And I'm in the morning and I'm trying to wake up and the lid's falling off and coffee's going everywhere and I got a big mess. And we have an
Corrupts the sell parts.
yeah, and we have an air fryer from them too, and it sucks. It's like, I don't like this company anymore. BBBY, let's check it. Let's check him out.
Looks like a short squid chart.
Must be. I mean, they're a meme stock. Meanwhile, back at TSHA, ba ba boom ba. That purple line is the high 9 on the zigzag chart, and it's just going left or right. Zigzag chart, Ricardo. I got to get him some settings. It's,
AIG just broke that critical resistance. We might be breaking out.
man, I'm telling you, penny stocks look bad.
They look bad. There's a couple of some
Oh.
really pay attention to. SPPI.
SPPI.
I want to put our message on it, but get those levels for
SPPI? It's tick.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you don't mind giving me those levels.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to send. Well, I'll have to send them to you. We're getting ready to go again here. See it? Yeah, it's gonna. That's that look I look for continuation. One of the looks. All right, are we tipping over here on SPY for a little while? SPPI, is this the one you're talking about? Spectrum?
Spectrum Pharmaceuticals.
Yeah, that's the one.
Gap down, no short interest. Suddenly got a lot of institutional buys. If you look at the order flow on that thing, it kind of sets off possible breakout.
Are you looking? Oh, so you're looking at, well, that's sub dollar. There it is. There it is. There it is. Come on, bear. See that?
Make a break right here on SPY.
Well, it's rolling over on a 5 minute.
Strong the hammer right now.
Oh, but you're in a descending channel on that 10-second chart.
Triple bottom on the bottom of the 10-second chart. that R1 there, which is 3842.
Screaming!
That's it.
Screaming!
Man, very
Ah!
position.
Wait a minute. Hold on. Keep on going. All right. So this is what I like about this little pattern right here. That's a green candle. I put this one up the other day, and anytime you get that, you're starting the bull move, and you get a bull bar, a couple of red bars, and another bull bar about the same size as that one but higher, you usually get a push up. That's usually just
2 points up, then 2 points down, and now I'm long again.
on the ES.
Yeah.
3850 again. Built on a pivot. So let's see this right here. I'm going to get those. Look, when I get off the Discord, I'm going to get those levels for you. And then we're going to end this Discord here soon. 1042. The Zoom. The Z. Yeah, sorry. Jeez, I called it Zoom. That is a breakover. Ooh, what is it going to do? That's a big. Now, hang on a second. If you look at WIM or IWM, I'm going to just need to. Hello, YouTube. We're going bye-bye until I can get my mouth up. Come join us at Bullish Bears. We really love to have you. We've got a great group over here. We're all going to put our heads together and look at some stocks right now. So, join us and hang out, y'all. All right? And I don't know what all those comments are. Jeez. Okay. I got a bunch of spams. We'll catch y'all later. All right, so we're going to be just